we are here in SeamEdu CMR University doing an SCGC event presented by Intel. Here we have 250 plus gamers from the college enjoying gaming on Intel's top-end gaming devices. We have gaming devices from Lenovo, Dell, HP, Acer, MSI, Gigabyte and Razer. Besides the gaming action, we also had a workshop on PC building where students learned how easily they can build a PC and what are the things that they have to take care while building it. Now let's hear from the students what they have to say about it.
For me, basically this game was a hands-on experience for many of the laptops that I wanted to purchase in the future. Like I've been looking to buy a laptop. So I got to know about a lot of Intel powered laptops. So that's a good thing for me. Another thing was PC building experience that we got. So that I think opened up the mind to like a lot of people who were scared to build PCs and all. So it's a good workshop event that we got an experience of. So I think overall everything went well. It was quite good event.
Yeah, like the event was superb, and like he said, like I wanted to build a PC in my future. So yeah, I went for the PC building scene. So that was exciting. Yeah, like what type of processor, CPU and RAM I should go for, and it should be all in sync. Otherwise, there will be a lot of problems. So yeah, overall it was superb. Yeah.
Yeah, so for me, it was like the main highlight for the event was like it was Intel powered because I myself am an Intel fan. I have laptop which is Intel powered and I have a PC which is also Intel powered. So yeah, like the experience was nice, and we have many experience booth with including the PC and the laptop and also PC building booth. So yeah, the experience was nice.
Yeah, so basically for me, I'm a PC guy, right? I have a PC for the past 7 years. I've been building and doing everything. But I don't have much knowledge about laptops. So in like exactly like that, there's many people who have laptops but don't have PC knowledge. Yeah. So they'll get to know about the PC and everything. So they'll try like Intel powered CPUs and all. They'll buy computers, build it themselves, or like it'll help from outside. So it'll help everyone. I think. Like I'm very happy that we got to experience laptops as well as the computers. Yeah. So that was a really good point about this whole event.
Yeah, like the same thing you asked him. The same thing, I'm a laptop person because I haven't made my own PC. I didn't have experience in computer and all. So yeah, I was hoping to build in my future. So yeah, I was looking forward to get parts and how to make my cabinet and all. So now, yeah, I know where to look for, yeah. So yeah, that's it. Very, very interesting for us. Like who doesn't know anything about it will have a little knowledge now.
So this was the SCGC event in SeamEdu presented by Intel. You can follow us for more gaming related stuff. Thanks for watching.